guys, welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Arjun Kokonda here, and today we'll be learning about dividing by one-digit divisors. So today our objective will be understanding how to divide by one-digit divisors. So we're going to underline our main parts of the objective. So how to divide by one-digit divisors. I know I pretty much underlined everything except understand, but yeah, our objective was really short today. That's probably why I had to underline almost the whole thing. So now, let's get started. I'm going to start off today with showing you guys how to do a few problems. So we are going to do this problem. We have 132 divided by 8. So we're going to set it up first. So we're going to put an 8 there, and a half rectangle kind of thing. And then we're going to put 132 in there. Now let's divide. So what are you going to do? So we're going to find a part of this number that 8 can go into. So 1. Can 8 go into 1? Well, no, because 1 is less than 8. Now let's try 13. Yes, 13 is more than 8. So yes, it can go into 13. So now what we'll do is we're going to find a number that is equal to or less than 13, but it has to be a multiple of 8. We know that 8 times 2 is 16, so that won't work. So our only option would be 8 times 1. So we're going to write 8 times 1, and then we're going to put an 8 there. Now, we will simply subtract. 13 minus 8 equals 5, so we get a 5 there. Now, you might be wondering, what about the 2? Well, we're simply going to bring that down 2. So we'll have 52 here. Now we're going to do the same thing we did here with 13, except we're going to do it with 52 this time. So we know that 8 times 6 is 48. So 8 times 6 is 48. But 8 times 7 would be 56. So 56 is not an option. We have to go with 48. So we're going to do 8 times 6, then we get 48. Now we're simply going to subtract 52 minus 48. So we're obviously 2 minus 8 is not possible, so we're going to send 1 here, and this becomes 4, and then this becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4, and then we have 4 minus 4, which is 0. So our remainder is 4. That means our answer is 16, and with the remainder of 4. So this is how you write the answer. So that's the answer to our first problem. Now, let's try another one. So we have 67 divided by 4. This time it's only a two-digit number, so it might be a bit easier. Let's set it up. We have 4, and then a half square kind of thing, and then write 67 inside. Now, we know that 4 times 1 equals 4, so we're just going to do that, and then we get a remainder of 2 for this part of it, because 6 minus 4 equals 2. Then we have a 7 to worry about, so we're simply going to bring that down. Now, we have 27. So we know that 4 times 6, so 4 times 6 equals 24. And then we have 4 times 7, sorry about that, that looks a bit too big, which is 28. So this won't work. Only option is 4 times 6, which is 24. So we're going to do 4 times 6, and then we get a 24. And our remainder, 24, sorry, that's not 27. Need to remove that. So we're going to put 24 there. And we're going to subtract. 7 minus 4 equals 3, and then 2 minus 2 equals 0. So we get a remainder of 3. So that means our answer is 24 with the remainder of 3. So we box our answer. Wait, no, not 24. Our answer is not 24. I got it confused. I was getting it confused with the, sorry about that, with the number over here. Our answer is 16 because that's our quotient, 16 with the remainder of 3. So I don't know if it's a coincidence or not, but right here we got 16 with the remainder of 4, and then here we got 16 with the remainder of 3. Probably a coincidence. Now, it is problem time. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to pause this video and try these two problems out by yourself. So, good luck. Did you get the answers? Well, now let's check them. So I'm going to set mine up. 4, then 2, 36. Now I'm going to start solving. I know that 4 times 5 equals 20. Then I subtract. 23 minus 20 equals 3. Then I bring the 6 down. So I have 36. I know that 4 times 9 equals 36. So then you get a remainder of 0. So there's no remainder this time. So our answer is simply going to be 59. Just that. That was an easy one. Now let's do the next one. 3, and then we're going to write 54. Great. So now let's divide. You know that 3 times 1 equals 3. Now we subtract and we get a remainder for this part of 2. Now we're going to bring the 4 down. 24. 24. Well, we know that 2 times 8, I mean not 2, 3 times 8 equals 24. So then that means that we're just going to write 8 there and then put 24. And then we get a remainder of 0. So that means that, again, we don't have a remainder. So that just means our answer is 18. Is that what you got? Did you get 18 and 59 as the answers? Well, if you did, great job. Comment down if you got both of them right, one of them right, none of them right. Even if you got none of them right, it's okay. Just keep practicing, keep watching videos, keep learning, and at some point you'll perfect. Thank you so much, and good luck with dividing by one-digit divisors. Goodbye. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.